How to fix an unexpected error occurred on Splitgate 2. In order for you to fix this issue, let me move into one of the official article which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix it. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. The very first step they recommend is to restart the game. While we do not have 100% confirmation of this fix working, but in most instances, we have bypassed the whole login queue error by simply restarting the game. When you restart Splitgate 2, the game seemingly puts you in a fresh queue, and if you're lucky, there's a chance that you will slip right in. Or the next thing you want to try doing is wait in the queue. This might seem counterproductive in an error fixing article, but unless you are actually being booted out of the queue after a 10+ minute wait, we urge you to be patient and just idle in the game's queue. Most players have reported that they generally get access after spending around 5 minutes in the queue. So simply be patient and wait in the queue. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.